forward. You know what I mean? Bunny down to your crowd.
JAMMIWOOD Studios. Curious King.
Give me a little time now. No.
Word of advice.
Never give up, never give up. Never give up, never give up. You can try again. You can try again. Never give up, never give up, no. Never give up, never give up, no. Even when the world is closing door, and even when things is getting worse than it was before, even when the bills man come knocking at your door, even when the burden gets so heavy, feel like you just can't walk no more, I'm here whispering in your ears and saying, never give up, never give up, never give in, no. Never give up, never give in, 'cause you can try again. You can try again. You plant the seed, them and now it come rain. Life is so great, why you sit aside and you complain? Seems like something is wrong with your brain. Life is what it is, yes, and I can't apologize for all the things they did. That's in the past. That's in the past. And if you run a race and you're not focused, you know you're gonna come last. You may buck your toe sometime before, but I'm telling you, matter how hard, never give up, never give up, never give in. Never give up, never give in. 'Cause you can try again. You can try again. See, I'm a true testimony. See, I am a true testimony. I've been through the rough without any money. See, I am a true testimony. Oh.
About the light bill though, where get that figure there from? Cause I think you told me last night, said like, how much say light bill again?
100,000.
Oh, why you had up on the crown? The data?
Someone come here if you have blame.
No, because I don't have the gadgets them. I'm not here most of the time.
Me had it there too.
When we come from work, most of me will sleep. I remember I said, oh no, mash up the TV in my room. So we not on TV. So where the crown that come? Some of that TV crown then.
Yeah, looks so.
But still, we have to pay it. I have to pay the crown bill still. So, yeah, we're part of the money. Well, me, I already know we're running some liquor change, right? Because of everything we're going, just still a bless me, right? So, we're not looking for, we can't find part of the money, but you have to come up with part of it, right? You know, so I'm going to say to you from what they say.
When you like you do?
It do by the next 4 to 5 days, but then still give one grace period to pay one.
You know, then they tell me you have my apartment.
Yeah. And you know, say you're a woman, you know. So you know, say you're a woman, you know. Your money come easy, you know, if you really know what to do, right? Your money can come easy. But me, a man, you have to work hard. So, me go find mine and you find yours. The youth who doesn't have a talk to him, if you pay for him rent, for him, not crime.
I could have him and use up his you know.
I wonder where I do around there.
I could have him.
So, him kind of edgy and now still, but I have to talk to him still because that light up the pay when I'm on choice. So, what am I looking to do? one more day, I'm going to say it to you. Now watch your business enough to be inquisitive. But I realize that you burn more than 3 packs of craving per day or per week. I don't know how fast about them. But I see them like garbage. Them look at them can't fold the garbage pan so many times. Right? So if ever come to, because you know, say you want to buy board or you want to build your house. Don't you think that you're burning the house money away? Because if you calculate how much you know, listen now. 1 cigarette is for $100. And when you burn 20 cigarettes, that's $2,000. So when you burn $2,000 multiplied by, you're burning like $6,000 per month.
Remember, I buy my pack, you know.
You buy the pack.
They say cheap also.
But still, let me say something to you now. You see, if when you burn the cigarette, something left back out of it, would that be a good investment? Like you buy some seed and plant, you go grow on your can, go your tomato, or you like some, you call it some okra, that's a good investment. But when you burn the cigarette, there's nothing left. It's a better you take the $100 them and $50 them and take it and burn it, nothing left. Because I don't think you do nothing to you really. You know, make you less stressed because you still look stressed. You understand? You still stress every day, you still can't burn it every day still. You see, if you burn it for 1 month and then you get better, it's okay, but you not stop burning.
Leave me skirt them alone. Come back.
Anyway, I'm not on your back, you know. Because not when I'm going at that, the daughter there said, certain things that be inappropriate. So anyway, cut me a cut off for you so now. Where is breakfast? Get up, flower and aisle today. When I look up people like you, I go search, and then I want to fall. I go search if I have a nest. Go on, fall there. I realize, no, they are look like one of them, the mafia. I keep the following them?
No.
God. Count of love, ready done. Anyway, find eat with just fry some dumpling and mix some sugar and survive it. Well, boily.
Yeah, guys. But you have to mix it from, I don't mix your carb.
I know to mix it.
So your mama did that though?
No, I teach you for the now.
Alright.
Everybody there?
Oh, good morning, how are you?
Morning. Hey, me by me.
No, just everybody there. Me there. And the tenant there.
Me a landlord daughter. And my father busy. I do whole heap of things. So you know what happened now? And me go collect the money them. And you see when me come for my money, me a wake early. Cause money that you see when you see me a come, just put my money for me.
What you mean?
So me want my money.
Some pay breast there.
Me is chin, why?
You just a push up breast for me some man. Good morning.
Morning, me just a come back tell you about my money. Me, you don't need to know say
No,
money.
but I see you. I push your breast for me. Calm down, man. Good morning, man. My father.
You know, man.
Yeah, I pay your father every time. My father no problem. Some other people, you don't say no problem to rent, but not me. I'm the one that pay. I 2 rooms. 1, 2. I pay for. So you ain't not do it though, but yeah, I must tell you, I can't tell you say you go come.
Yeah, me come to tell you no.
Yeah, man, good man. Jammy post, lower alone.
You go bring in everybody and tell everybody.
One call 1 and 2 of them and go talk to you.
You waiting.
The landlord daughter come talk to you. You can't come forward. You are the bad view. Yeah. I reason about this place, because the place want to look titivated. Right? Yeah, man. So, we don't need to fix up some of the things.
Your face want titivate.
I titivate them. Yeah, the titivate them no bad.
Listen, my father can't go come back here so come collect money. So when me come to collect money, make sure I'm ready my money early. Come on, my money early. You understand?
Yeah, this man and now to pay rent, you know, because my father and the plant is aligned. So in the pan, the last can pay 2 in a back and 3 in a back. So your father will sometimes live out in time.
Oh, so you miss to write for your paper.
Yeah man, so everything good man. We don't know say the boss has a nice plum plus daughter. You go work, right?
Yeah, right.
I want you and my daughter to be friends. I have a daughter too, you know, but when I lay meet her, she would have sleep. I can't sleep on the street. I'm not wake her. But you look good though.
You don't look like you're alright.
We can't alright. Alright.
Me leave your place, yeah?
Alright, take your time. You're going good there. You can't get me all I food on the yard there. Rough.
Watch out. How are you?
Right now, be me tell the truth. Nah, go on down here. Me nah stay down here. Me nah stay.
Could I live
No matter where you do, me just nah stay. Nah go on. Because me that country, me nah suffer. I be down here so me nah suffer. Because country, me nah pay water, me nah pay light.
So what about the house? How we say we are going to build?
Listen up, nah go on down here so. Nah go on, me go on, me a go man. Let's leave me go on, cause look. What are you doing here so?
Things
Ah, they
take
can't
time,
find
you know?
something.
Things
They
take
only can't
time.
find money. So me that country, we not find most something. Because we can plant food.
Things take time. Where you pack bag boy you go?
Come on, me have to go, man, me not stay. Because me say we go suffer with you, we can't make that happen. Come now.
Still don't let me talk out. We must can't talk out this month.
There's no reason right now. We have to go before it.
I'll soak. You take out all the suitcase?
You don't believe me, see me going? Me not stay, because me don't know so. The money run out, and you have to find work. And you have to find food. See there? Rental come up, but we don't have no money to pay rent.
I'm telling me I deal with that now.
But that, like you know, come true.
But you know why rent now pay.
That is it. So if we go back a country, we can start like back up there. We don't say something now go on. It get harder and harder. There's no easy way out. So either you stay or me go. Decide. But me I go. If anything you can call me and me come visit you now one day. Come to that country, you can save me money and me buy me Benz. And still have money in my pocket. If anything you want money, I can send you. I don't need to cry. You can call me. What Mr. Pass say? You see Mr. Pass?
They really are going?
Me and Quay, so I can reach me, we can call you. You want a hug? Have a nice day, yeah?
Hello. I want to take over the woman place, so. No work, you man give fi.
No, she not take over her room. Just because she that do the lady here, so when me come around here, so me ask her if she just brush up my hair for me.
And the lady not say nothing because she knows the role.
And you know so she not say nothing, so I know you.
Why lady there? Why lady there?
He got a bathroom.
Your good daughter. I want you to take that course out your nose. You know, it's not real, but I don't like the look of it. Alright?
Alright.
Hello, mama. You can't tell the daughter, tell her what I.
Well, you tell her already, you know, but she say, you have to come home. I help her still. I help her.
I fake so you can't have to come out, just take it out. Alright? Here we know. I get ready to go up on the road. Right?
Yeah.
Come have to work to take care of. So where you are at up ago though? Come where at up ago?
Because today my birthday.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, for sure. Your birthday.
Yeah.
What you want for your birthday?
I don't even know what to tell you someone want to take care and buy one nice ring.
Ring?
Yeah. I need the girl.
Popcorn ring there? I must want popcorn.
Stop me laugh.
But what me I say to you now? You know you want a beautiful queen, right?
Yeah, me know that.
You know that you're beautiful.
I mean, I have put on no makeup. I mean, I have on no makeup right now.
So what I go do now, I go get something big.
Okay.
Not the big something you get every night. I'm gonna get something
Me
bigger.
never talk about that day. I know see something we go buy in a store or something.
Alright. Because you know say like things big. You messing now. Now look to at you're not gonna wait. Are you there now?
No, I'm not gonna wait. I'm stay and I look nice my birthday just up.
I mean I just offer or yourself.
Me I just up for you when you come later and don't worry yourself.
Alright, so I gotta work. I not gonna work today, you know. I go work.
What time you come in? What time?
When I come, but I try come quick. No, I come in good time.
For a man in the round they do here, how much lady pay you?
Mommy, she said she'll give me $2 grand.
So me I tell you now say, make sure say when you get the $2 grand you put it up because judgment day is here. You understand me I say now? You don't understand that? You don't understand judgment day.
Mama, what do you mean by that?
My daughter, you so find out. My daughter, go over there here.
Alright, mommy.
Yeah.
Wait, can I come? Mommy, where you go? Mommy.
Yes?
Where you go?
This was the meaning of me I tell you about. Me tell you say, judgment day is here. You understand? So, me tell you something now, girl. Me, I go left for your father because me find one hot boy up at Jack's Hill there. But me, I go there with. So, me tell you something. Pull on the bag of car. You come like say, your father want me now. Feel like up in a house. Look how me bad. Look how me look good. Eh? Look how me look nice and look good. Look on the bag of car. So, me I tell you now, so your father, you're big enough now, so your father say him gonna work now, so him will take care of you because me struggle with you as much already, and him have to take care of you because me find one man up at Jackson and me I go up there, hot man too. You see for your father, you see all he want me to do? I sit down in a house like me a old woman, look for me girl, you know see your mother always hot, look how me ear look good, and you just set me up so. And you know, so me always hot. Me have all ear if you go put in your father and want me put in. Your father wicked enough. And I want to tell me how him gonna work and him go buy me cake for my birthday. Me, I go to Jackson go wine up myself because him alright, you know, he can't go on and work. Go on and come back. But me know say I have to come back to you. Me know say I have to come back to you. You understand me I say? So, make sure say, me I tell you now, make sure you don't breathe out of school. You hear me tell you? Don't breathe out of school and behave yourself and have man a scream because your father already. You understand? Me come back home for you in the day, man. Don't worry yourself, me not make you know. Don't make you know, you know. Here? Don't make you know. Say me I'll come back home for you in the day. And me call like me have your number. Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Later.
I beg you, please. No go nowhere, please.
No, me have to go. Me have to go. Me love you, my daughter, but me have to go. Me have to go.
Mother God, now she not come back. Yeah. I'm just finishing here.
Brittany, oh, put water out just up on the veranda.
No.
I know, so you make you slip on job.
No, Daddy.
What may I say now? You think I'm like them, man? Because our birthday, you know, we buy this a big cup of yard, then say it after look ice, shake something on it, look nice. This is Pringles favorite. So, what's she there? Where your mother by the way?
She not there here, she run away.
Brittany, I'm not joking now. I say, where your mother there?
She run away.
But she gone for sure, man. I'm not sure I make one of the things I'm gone. But there's some money around, all the money gone too.
Gone.
When is that to you and my boy?
Say now come back. Cause if you take care of me. And him I left you. Okay, I want you to turn house rat. And I want you to put in on here.
But you eat already though?
No.
Alright.
Maybe
Go on a show. I'm going to go to Nairobi. Go buy you some Kentucky. Alright, go be. Go be. Now I'll show you to go be over your place, over your room. I get ready. Go here, go buy Kentucky. How that? What going?
Me just can't check for you. Missy say, yeah, your woman left. Missy, she pack up and go and left you.
I will tell you that.
Missy, she pack up and go and left you. Me did the hear.
Well, I've seen better days, but life is life though, you know what I mean?
Know yourself, Rasta. You see you look. You see you look. You look good. And enough woman out there. So just try again.
Anyway, one of them things that in a life, you know what I mean, relationship start, relationship end. It's a hard knock, but I'm going to survive it still, you know what I mean? So, thanks for look out for me the same way. And I don't want you to come too much in the lane, you know, because if you come in and saw your boyfriend come see you, you know, say, it could be a problem here. Can go things say, more want damage you. You understand? So, Eva, thanks for look out still. Rest a tough man. Heart of a lion. Heart of a lion. Go work.
Know yourself, man. Better days today.
So I go on.
Let's go link you.
You're good.
Yeah, man. Me I tell you, me have one boy for you. Me like them brown man there, you know. Me have money too, you know.
Jesus Christ, so that more here.
Yes, man. But you thinking all way older than you.
It don't really matter. I'm on my business, bro. Yeah.
Alright.
So you look good.
You make a give me a link, man.
Alright, so give me number, making you link me.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we're going differently now.
Then, you know, kind of feel kind of stressed out and left out.
What stress you?
Single life.
Single life has stress you?
Yeah.
Because I know you want to link for your boy, you know.
Then I must.
I have the money and the thing tall.
Man.
Alright, then just go link if you tell her that, you know.
Alright.
Make sure you get the link, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, later.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
Brown man with money and things. That one here. I'm afraid that the girl ain't on me for rate her, man. Oh. Hello?
What's up?
No, who is this?
You know, say me, brown man, and cousin just give me a number a while ago, you know.
Oh! Oh!
I thought your cousin with the braces.
Yeah, me know we are talk.
Yeah, different, you know, it's a long time me I pray.
Yeah?
Yeah, me like it, you know.
Okay.
So you're more I do for me. I got some money when you come for.
Alright. Which one for link you?
Don't like spot.
Which spot? Me don't know what part name spot.
Yeah, you know spot, man.
I'm if you know which... Where talk?
When I pass the big concrete house and come down.
Don't got a little lane part, bushy looking place there?
Here, sir.
Okay, forgot I don't know so they call this spot.
Yeah, this spot, yes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, now go forward.
Alright then. That's a party.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Money! Outside. Mr. Girl, the reason why I call you? Come and meet a new man, me get a new man.
Hello.
Nice brownie and he have money.
Nice.
Of course.
So you think you can take care of your name thing?
Then the most what I do with him if he can take care of me.
And he will buy you anything you want?
Anything in this world.
Okay.
But I him I go meet right now. Just me call a girl because I know say you can fight. If anything good on, you just step in that boy face.
Alright, come on.
And deal with them. Yeah.
Yes, this is
Ville talking to you from the Publishers Clearinghouse. Yes, your number are random selected today. In our second place winner of $2.5 million and also a brand new GMC Denali. Alright? Okay, what will you do? You will get yourself a clean piece of paper and a good writing pen. The first thing you're gonna write down, you're gonna write down my first name is Mr.
Hello.
Robert.
Hi.
Everything alright?
Yeah.
But me do want to know, other day when me that talk to you, your friend did this side of you, you know. So me really want to know if me are really there or what.
Well, mother say yes, because I like it and stuff. You have money. And I like man who have money. You say you are a scammer.
I'm a scammer, yes.
Alright, I got more here. As long as I get money, I'm good.
But we here now, no? I'm a scammer, you know. But me not make enough money when me can make. But still me can give a fortune.
Like, how much you can give me a week time? Or
Like 125,000.
Yeah, that can go on, but you have to go work on that.
Anyway, you know what I do? I don't want to take it to your ice cream shop.
Well, yeah, mother go down there, yes, but you can't tell me more about yourself.
Well, I'm a kind guy, you know. I'm very kind and loving.
Me too.
And when I like girl tell me lie.
Oh.
That get me skeptic. I'm not deal with cheaters. If you know you have a man on the side, tell me from now.
I don't have a man, sir.
You sure?
I don't have a man.
I like a long time, you know. You get me? So you say I'm going to go to ice cream shop.
Alright.
Come on then now.
Okay, let's go.
Different from that though. But don't like to tell me a little bit about yourself, you know.
Well, me, I love man who have money.
Really?
Especially scammer man like you say have money. I think they can give me 25,000. That good enough, but I'm going to need more money than that.
So you're not going to put in barrel more than what we can put in.
I mean like expensive things.
Expensive things like what?
Expensive things like the clothes of expensive, my shoes, my hairstyle. Right now, I'm here one do.
That's a lease, man. Can get one Brazilian here too. You can get some spike here, get some nails and stuff. You see? You have money now. You have to look up to date because when you go around, I don't want them boys see you and laugh at you. You have to look nice and sweet and sexy. You get it?
Talk up things there.
Yeah, man. So, I'm a hard working guy, you know. The scam I'm do this type work.
Because I like when I hair and nails and everything do.
You have to look good, you have money now.
Yeah, then my father, that man look like my father, so.
I hear me now.
Father, I know. Come back.
Let's go. So we have to do?
You have to go hide this one and take one shortcut one place.
Right now, I'm going to do like that.
I go once, I go definitely why you pick up a daughter, you know. Because I'm busy up and I never piece of work for deal with.
I can't make you reach down before me either.
I'm why you pick up a daughter, that means that she can chill out to the fever one 2 weeks. Come I go out of the place here if you want a couple of days for prep some work and things. You hear me? Alright, that work. Yeah, that's 2 weeks I go for. Ah.
Yo, you can't go buy ice cream, you know.
Yeah, say to me.
Me know my father stay.
And this is a look good time I have to go up on this a look good date, yeah.
Me can't do it, me know my father stay, my youth. Just go and go buy ice cream and carry up your account, you know.
I'm to trust the Rasta man there, you know. I look miserably, you know.
You miserable, you just go on, my youth.
Alright, make sure you're safe, you know. I love you, you know. Just want you to be safe, you know, man. Nothing happened to you, you know. You hear me? Make sure you reach on safe. And look out here them to come and really trust them boy in here right now. You hear me I tell her? Alright, go on done.
Then buy money on the ice cream.
Yeah man, me bring you money come. Later.
Brittany! Brittany! Forward there.
Yes, Daddy?
You know what I said? Sit down over there, son. Come here, talk to you. You are becoming a young lady now. I couldn't grow you like how you are to grow, but I try my best, right? So as I see you growing now, and this, I hear it in the street say, they must be your fruits ripe. So when they say fruits ripe, then they want to pick your fruit. So now I buy you some long dress, and your mother buy you some sharp batty rider. Now I tell the girls them on the road, say do not expose them batty peg, and me see you and do it. What do you expect me to do to you now? That clothes you have on, do not wear it again. You see, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send you to go spend some time with your mother.
No.
Because no, me have some things to deal with. No, listen, no, not like that, man. Me have some work to deal with, and I cannot leave you down here by yourself.
You can't stay, me no.
No, listen now. You do not say you can. Because first thing first, I have to send you go stay with her, and let's lady around us so we have see oversee you with that ask for she first.
Yeah.
To see if that can go on. But apart from that, I'd rather you go back to your mother. That means if anything go wrong, you can blame it on your mother.
No, you can't beg her, please, me. You don't want to go push for mommy. You don't like up there.
But I said to you, do not expose your body peg again, because them go boy there, go want you. And them, I know through them a chop, me a chop grass, but them a chop line. You understand? So them a make money. So, me know how your mother stay, and I think you're gonna take some money off for your mother. Can you come to me one day and tell me say you want phone a value over 180,000? You ever see 180,000 yet? From everybody at Jamaica, nobody knows 180,000 and so. If so many people in Jamaica see that money, then jump down. Because the country is run under separation. So no bother with that something there.
Whatever save you can get in.
Listen, by the time you save $6,000, you're hungry. You have to pay. So there's always one thing with Jamaica. There's always something going on. There's always something in style. There's always something to buy, something to pay for. As you print the rent, come back. You're not so going in life. But just get back a chance. Because remember say, you know, your stepmother go to the whole of my partner money, you know. We don't know how you make she go with the money. But she go with the whole of her partner money. Where to deal with some things to me. Every money pile up one place and she'll take it all like and go and she go and I want bad place but I cannot go. So I can't go for the money and I don't want to go station because my money not straight. Some straight but some not straight. So I can't get account how I come by so much money because in Jamaica they never said if I have so much money. So some things that I do, I have the money. And she know that so she go with the money. Now start back at zero but me have life and that's everything. Because she could have pies me and do anything to me. Trusting a woman is a dangerous thing. So what I'm saying to you though, I'm going to call the lady around here and she can stay with you. But I have to go mash up a mission and come back. Right? I just want calm to get on them have a show. So I have to just have somebody on the standby right now. Tickers!
She will stay.
Where you there?
You don't have to ask her. She'll just stay here.
Eh? You know some more you stay with my daughter for me because I have to go somewhere one at a time them.
So yeah.
You can't deal with it? Me say you can't deal with it. You're going to stay with Britain for 2 weeks. Can you stay with her?
Say yes, please.
You have to stay with Bree for 2 weeks because they're going to do some illegal stuff that I can't say about, I can't even talk loud. But we don't know when we'll get the call, but we'll get the call and cut. Can you stay my daughter for me for 2 weeks?
Yeah, of course.
And do not make sure take no man from your watch, you know, because I've been doing my best and ensure that you don't have no man. So if I go away for 2 weeks, listen to me, don't play with me, you know.
You're a good little girl.
Your daughter, your mother got pregnant at a very tender age.
Well, that means I'm gonna the same thing.
What? I got her pregnant at a very tender age, so I did say shit not far from black. Anyway, I go left from it, make you know, yeah? Alright. So like, yeah, private. I mean, I want to come in here private. Make it time. But anyway, you laugh. This is the argument that come go. This is what I like to hear. Come go, we want to get good time private. Come go. And take off that body pegs and go take it off.
But then my mother buy it for me.
Send it back up here. Rough. Yo, one thing I say, you know. You don't want no more woman from down the region because me I tell you afterwards that it, alright, even now. She said me and her there for a while. Me give her one pitney, one daughter. And for me to tell me say she really do me that. Man, right now me think me have to go somewhere different and go find one different type of woman. I tell her I don't believe in it down here, so I tell you.
Hi.
Yeah, I soon call back my general. But you can't beg for her. I don't want her back. My daughter there, my daughter tan. But me no want back like a girl there. Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm fire.
My name is Alian. Where you come from?
Well, I live up the road, that's what you know about.
Up the road that I never see you yet.
I'm there, but I'm too... But there for years, man. But I don't really come on the road. I just go work. So I just recently know I take some time off. You know, take a 2 week off of work and just go on.
So you live with somebody?
What me I say now? You came on the phone a while ago, right?
Yeah.
You tell me no man from down yourself. No man from down yourself.
No man, don't bother say it like that.
No.
Say no one
No, I get a woman. It's a woman coming down here, you know. And then the woman move fine for that and somewhere it's going to live in.
Sometimes the woman don't know what is good. Because she could have had one garden and something worse. But you look nice, I'm like you.
Listen to me. Where you at? Look me. Well.
Straight up, I'm not going to corner.
Well, on the road, as a taxi, I look to go up and I go. Yeah, look, I look at taxi to go somewhere. I'm not sure, but you.
I feel like it's strong too.
Where you man there?
I'm not right now, because boy, so I'm not going to talk about that. Not good stuff. Sometimes things happen for you meet new people and new opportunities. And I find man like you that do well with a woman like me in your life.
Let me tell you one thing. I don't believe in rushing to things. You look good, but I go tell you one thing. If I and you go well a reason, you have to go take me out or somewhere. You have to come go somewhere nice. Yeah, so where does you come from really?
You know, say I told me come from, but I have one girlfriend down here, when I bunk off with, but since we start
when
work...
you say shh, calm down, before going further, you have a girlfriend. When it's a girlfriend, what do you mean?
My friend, as
oh,
in
that's a friend?
Yeah.
Oh.
But since we start work and everything, she start show me some face and all type of thing, so I don't know how long I got tired down here. Tell the truth, I don't know how long. But if I find somebody, well, you know, I rate and when me and them can get along good, probably I can live with them. Because I can't stay with you, she have bad mind to go try now.
Well, anyway, I'm fire. It was nice meeting you, but I have to go on the road, right?
Yeah, sure, you have to go like Mr.
What kind of work can your friend do?
Don't worry about that, man. You will get to know further.
I'll tell her one at a time. You know, where you go one at a time in the upper Portmore region and tap on the back corner so girl and I will be shoulder. So what's on the work you have doing, you know?
No, I know the type of work that me do, man.
Oh.
So sorry, you know, change that up, you could give me.
Change what?
I don't for money. Me straight up, I just feel that. You have to stay with me.
But me, you know, as a youth like this, that's a turn off. If you see me for the first time asking for your money. What if I ask you for something? You like give me? If I ask you for something right now, you like give me?
No, not right now. We have to get to know each other.
Same thing my money. No, right now. We have to get to know each other. You want to get to know me? Just put the number on my phone and we go take it from Dusso.
Alright, no problem.
Invite me somewhere. I may go somewhere, go talk.
I call the number that way. I get the phone number right away.
But I get a bad deal with my baby mother, so I don't know about women so much.
Alright, sir. I'm going to make you forget about your baby mother.
Alright, so after everything, I will go try to date and so on. I realize you're a good girl still, you know?
Yeah, man.
So, but one thing, I have a daughter still. Though may get in and we have the things and nobody knows so we are doing it. But I think reach the time I know where to meet my daughter. More than I can jump out early morning and go yard, right? My daughter in her room.
I really want to go see mommy.
No man, no I say about that man. Because if you go come up and call it permanently, you're not have to communicate.
Yeah, but what she still like me?
Well, no matter about that man, because at the end of the day, children have his own, daddy have his own. So she have her own life to live, and me my own life to live. Right? So me her role she gonna know. So that we're good to know we talk to her. Introduce it to her, you know?
Okay. For a long time I left from still.
Because come on and introduce you to a woman. Because we can't live in the same place. We know fear man. No man, I told them live there, one man and one woman.
Okay.
You man are coming and care. Yeah, your boyfriend come. But you know what? This
Hello. Hi. Alien.
This you know, how you go on like that, me I introduce you.
Yeah, but
Yeah man. Girlfriend, you know? Yeah. You two want match. So they have a bandit, they go work. But we live in a song about the band like a one.
Yeah.
Big family. Alright? Yeah man. So nice meeting you and everything. We want to introduce her to my daughter. So
alright, bye.
Have a seat. Brittany! Don't go this because she don't like nobody near to me, you know, and love what tell. Yeah man, I introduce her to my daughter. So don't go so because my daughter want hot this affair and I tell her. It's not what, we can't answer the same question, better.
Send me this one, we can't say it.
No, let me say, we know it. Let's come on, very. No,
okay, no problem.
One, two women to sit down. One place. I'm like two women in my life. Right? So, where is she there? You must come a while ago. Brittany! Brittany! I think I'm not going to
I'm so far.
no, man, you don't do this stuff, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good night.
Good night.
Maybe I wonder from one day, you know, why your papa so happy. Come into my time because I keep me teeth like a Friday or a Tuesday. See it I enjoy in my life. She come enough time, but when you sleep and before you wake up and make you go back home. Because it's my time, I just feel her out to see if she's the right person. And based upon her quality and her criteria, I think say I want good stepmother for you. Right? So, wait a minute. Alien.
Imagine me, I dropped so long and I'm not name.
I told her that I'm not good at names, you know. I will love you. Hey, what are you? Johnny Post. We are different than with this shaking the business. What do you know?
Baby cat and one. Sure.
So, me I say no. Me not good at name. She named Ali. Alian.
No. Alien. Right.
She named Alian. And this is my daughter, Brittany. You see not to know her, it's my time. Only her last name, you know. Oh, so that's step mama. You mean? What you know? I want you to grow her properly. Like treat her like she's your own. Right?
Yeah man, that's not easy.
Like your own. You don't understand what I say? Don't understand up. Don't understand.
Why in my family?
Lord of God. She tall on you. But don't make she feel that she's tall on you.
No man, she can't bully me.
Yes, you talk to her as a child. Though she have some clothes that are doing to prove her, I want to brush her up and straighten her out.
But there's nothing wrong with what she have on.
Alright, we're not
We like you already. We like you already. We like you already.
Alright. But anyway, mother and daughter, if you ever want to do that, stepdaughter and stepmother.
Stepmama here, sir.
Yeah, stepmother.
Stepmother.
Stepmother then.
I rather stepmother.
Yeah man, so it's a good relationship. You know what I mean? If you come band and live as one. So anything you want,
Yes,
you can come to her. Anything you want, you can go to her.
Anything in your life where your father can't manage, you can come talk to me about it. Are you ready? Okay, alright.
Yeah man, so anyway, I'm gonna leave you girls at it, you know. Because right now,
Still stand up here.
I'm tired, so I can go and dance with it about my suit. What about my slippers, buddy? Yeah, I'm going to put on my slippers. You got my slippers? Come on. Come on.
No, iPhone. Cause daddy no want buy me. Look up at me. Me not come here for that. I come here for go get your things and do all like corona and something like none of that. Nobody expect that. Yeah? Just keep yourself out of me and your father's business, everything will be fine. Nobody just because instead me feel get you this and get you that don't mean nothing. And watch your tone, eye attitude with me because can't get to be kick you out here.
Look here.
Me have him wrapped around me thinking. Yeah, try
and
know
you
that.
first and give me attitude.
I'm not giving you attitude, I'm just saying. You come to me and ask me the iPhone. I mean, have the money. What me can ask you for? I mean, your father, I say, as soon as I'm breaking, you out here. Try know that.
Gold digger.
I'm not a gold digger.
You are a gold digger.
Don't worry yourself, make thoughts.
You know, say me I think about something something that's come to do with them on the veranda. I'm not going to I'm not good.
Alright.
I want to come painting tomorrow, so I have a black paint out, so I don't want nothing to keep, so.
Babes, come on now, we're going on.
So you're alright?
Nothing with me. You good? Yeah, post school and treat you. Good. You sure?
Yeah, something like when I live, you know. You see, when you have money, you see everyone alright. Just look at that cheese and see if you want to start loving. You got the money, I got the money.
Yeah,
everybody's good.
And my daughter, I know.
Yeah, but you want to know, do you want anything on the road?
Come on, chips.
Alright, there you go. No, maybe we're coming on the road, man.
May I come here?
Yes. Nah, man, no yourself, man. We have to pick up, collect some money and things.
Oh.
So I need you on the road, so watch out. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
because you're a vigilant girl. So it's me have on, and them are suit at the people away. So I want to blend into the crowd and I swing so. Right? So come on. Come on.
Why? Tell me I get money. I
Yeah,
man, no yourself. You get chips and everything. Chips and juice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder what's so nice.
Yo, look how most, you know, you see, I don't see, yo, you know about money, you know. Me like how, you know, shims up. No, man, good, man. Me say, oh, you take the money from them, putting that damn in us, and so. Alright, what do you think about? Put the chips on him. When you smell that later, you go, what's that funny, though, man? I'm alright. I'm a doctor. Get up like a Zachariah said, and me, I'm sitting in my bed. No, the money are too, you know.
Yeah, I know, but I just want to go here.
But after I drink some of these stagger, you're going to go out some of this tonight, bag, you know. You have to drink some of
Just come on. Sure. Don't know I got this stuff.
I don't want to let you go, you know. I'm tired though. What are you so?
No, man, just calm and
Come it again?
no, man.
Feel the woman in my system said you want to walk up, man. Massive. That was good.
I'm just gonna get tired. Can I take some juices so that it buys for me? Daddy! Daddy!
Oh, they are come there, don't move. Get down to the floor. Welcome to the
I got the chips they can't give me.
yeah, which chips?
No, even no juice and the chips not in there.
Why chips and juice there?
Juice and the chips not in there.
What's the way at that point? Come and know that we buy a full chips and juice here. Where at that point?
No, no juice not in there. The chips gone. I'm not eating none.
Look girl, don't come to me. I put the chips and juice on you. None of we come back out here so. But only if I eat it.
No, stepmother.
Did you see stepmother eat it?
No.
So why are you quick to judge? I tell you, you know.
Because she eat no.
Why you have what? You know what? You eat in your sleep.
No.
This one has some
Looking at me mouth.
Daughter, don't do that to me. What you do? Listen to me. You see, you are eat and sleep. Mr. Eat out, Mr. Walk. In a magic sleep. Just walk. Up in our door and walk out. In a sleep. So, you got record and now you eat. What's your mother child there? So your mother, where you eat?
I chewing-gum, I just sleep.
You eat the chips and think when chewing-gum you eat.
No, chewing-gum sit there.
But what me I say to you though? If I know you eat it, I will eat it.
Stepmother.
You see when she eat it?
No, but
do not accuse people you don't see. Come go to your bed. You're not living inside now.
Hungry.
You're hungry? Oh. So now that you feel sick. I'm sure somebody buy something for you.
I'm hungry. It's Tuesday.
Alright. Guys, go on your bed, go drink.
I'm hungry.
Man, I get something to eat, girl. Get it so late in the night.
I'm hungry. I'm not eating nothing. I eat up my shit. Just eat chips and juice.
We give you chips and juice, he said.
No.
He said, top nice. He said, girl, what's eating?
I eat.
Just go sleep, wake up a man. You see a man, more you cook some food for you now. More you cook some dumpling, banana, eat all the pot in the box.
I'm tired, man.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, man. Carry in. If you can't tell about me, say to go to your mama, you know, because I can't get the nice in you know. Alright, long, top night. Slimmer, 14. You see you're hungry? Alright. Let me one sugar bun there if tomorrow buy back. I'm going to say buy grocery. Oh, yeah man, thank you man. Ah, yeah man. Alright. Sit down. Go on sugar bun now. Eat it. Stop running. Come. Sit down here, make sure you have it.
You have to eat out the whole of that tonight.
Yeah, you're going near me because you're about to hungry. Sit down.
About to hungry.
No, you chip.
You eat it. Eat that. And that's it. You say hungry, but I eat out the whole of that.
I'm so hungry, man. I feed them, I can't give them more right now.
You can't eat that sugar bun.
Here or no?
But this is enough sugar for your night.
Go on, eat the sugar bun. Eat the sugar bun. Yo, come on, come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, you know. Come on.
I said,
you need to have that, man. I told you to eat that.
Yes, sleep on there.
Alright, go to bed after you don't eat that, right?
Bed first.
And do not drink so much of that if you piss bed.
Take a shower before you go to bed.
If you're pissy bed, come on.
Taste your box.
Come on. Alright, go.
Regina. Good evening, Regina, mother. Regina inside?
Good evening. Ashley B. Minion.
Alright.
They can call me Ashley B. Yes, she there in there.
Alright. Hi. You see how they can move on? See how they school work and I can't go down river.
No, Grandma. I have to study.
I'm going to see how school at work. I had work I had.
You know, see me at school at work?
No.
But I
Come
pay
on,
and go
don't
school.
river.
No, girl, I can't have time for that.
Come on now, put on your book and come on.
Study.
You not come study when I come back. Come on.
No, girl, I don't have time for that.
Your mother not go say nothing. I'm sure if your man had you gone a long time.
You give me man?
Yes, I don't see a school with man.
Me?
And you skip school for gone man yard,
Mama,
you?
let me hear it. Mama, that you hear it. Me?
Me go tell her them to come on the Uga River. Come on the Uga River, man. Come sure if that tall boy you gone a long time. You skip school and gone like, come on, man.
Me?
You act boring till you see your mother out that door. You act innocent.
Mama, you make she hear you.
Let she believe, because the truth. Come on the Uga River for me tell her
No
mother
mix
say
me.
the boy yard. Boy ugly.
I did come on me I'd find Irene girl?
Yes. You rather finna go hang out with a friend and guy boy for the school of skip and guy boy and a long time. Come on, man. If you act better, man.
Are you for act better?
Come on, don't go river. You're not studying nothing. I know see you looking at a book and you not remember nothing where you study. You're not studying nothing.
So you go tell lie for me for go river?
Which lie? I don't see you school with, man.
Braces. Me?
Yes, girl. The tall boy there. The black tall boy there. Ugly. Come on, man, don't go river.
I said come on me I'd find Irene girl?
Yes. Me a go river. Me no friend, girl.
Are you tell me one thing in the book?
Me not
You
study
don't know
book.
because you don't go to school.
Me not study book. Come on, man.
Girl, you don't see rain after what kind of river you want going to rain?
When the rain don't fall.
Girl, I don't have time for that.
Alright, girl, I drop me and make. All while going to drop me and make. Come on, but what's the matter?
Oh, girl, you don't say
You know, see a little drop me. I don't see no with no man or nothing. I see with a book and something. You know, you want the subject, then come just come out, girl, a little time.
Girl,
You can't hang out with your friend.
really and truly you can't go. Girl, listen. I need to done my CXC first. Girl, you know, say, when we in a lower grade, I go to whole of the time. No, girl, this is final. I have to settle my mind in order to pass my CXC then. So you see, after this year, we go anywhere, river, club, party, anywhere.
Alright.
You understand? Yeah, you're a real friend, girl, you have to understand.
Alright, girl, I hear what you say. I'm going to pass the subject in my ass.
Yeah.
I'm just still want to go down the river. Because my party I keep down there, you know.
Yeah?
Yes, and everybody down there from school and everything, girl. I'm the bad man, but since I'm not bad, I'm not bad then. So, alright, next time we can go river. So.
Yeah, man.
Alright then, as I say later then.
Yeah, man.
Alright, I'm glad you come look for you, though.
Yeah, thanks
Take
for
care.
coming.
Alright. Awesome, sir.
That's good. You're leaving?
Yeah. Thanks, see you here.
What's up?
Nothing.
You know that I'm proud of you?
I know, mommy.
You hold up your head. You know what go on? You never know somebody do this. I overheard the conversation with you and your friend. I'm proud of you. You know, say, you remind me of me. You know, like your father and you know, like your friend them. So, I have one surprise for you, man. Know yourself. I have a big surprise for you. As my daughter to a mother. As a mother to a daughter. You understand? So, what are you doing right now?
Just go and refresh, you know.
And you see, if you did ever go with your friend,
No,
make the mistake and gone, boy, you gone a river. Yeah, so what me give you today. You even keep man a spot them there.
I have to make you proud, you know, mommy, because
You
I see
have
what
to.
you go through. So,
And education is the key.
yes, ma'am.
What you're doing is good. In due time, you go to say, go pay off. You understand? No, what your mother tell her is not a stupid
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
Good. So, is there anything in the schoolwork what I can help you with?
Yeah, mommy, just in the maths, see theory. This I talk about ratio. If a man walk from Kingston, you see the question, mommy. It's right.
Me know say you're bright, man. You can. Boy, me no remember nothing when me dey go to school. All of them they gone with that. You can't keep back for me like that.
Alright, mommy. Me ask my teacher.
Yeah, man. Just go and be a nice girl and don't ask some other maths.
What I like to do, you know, is a wife material. You see, if I were for me, baby mother, in that everything that left from in that I do. Yeah, man. So I like you're really active.
Yeah.
When you're there, my place start to keep clean. You understand? Because sometimes I can be quite messy.
You were quiet?
Yeah.
You wish I quiet?
Yeah, you know where I go, because my time there's a bag of things I do, but you know, I'm sure something. It's a piece of money, huh? I want you to put it down on a safe place, right? Because this have to buy the land, and then after buy the land, now we go build the house on it.
So how much that you know?
This I'll be a sharer, close to $1 million. You understand? So I have a piece of money to come to buy some board. You know what I mean? Because probably get the land, the easiest thing to build upon the board if you can move it to rent house. You build the board part first, apex, and then after that now we can build concrete and move with the board out. We go have things in our life. So you know.
Alright, me put up him now, you know.
Me I come up on the work and now. Take a change out and not take too much out of it and buy something like that.
No, me not touch it.
No, it's not man. Just buy something to eat. Me have more money I come by later, man.
No man, me not touch it, sir. Make it time.
So
Me have little change. Remember say give me money
yeah.
for enough, so me have little change. So me not touch it, sir. This is a business,
Alright, so what you do? It's just my dad to get something to eat. Me not wake up, me I go straight to work.
Yeah man, me a cook. So you come back and sit now.
Alright, so you know, me I come up on the work. Love you, right?
I love you too.
Alright, later.
Be careful, you hear?
Yeah, man.
And you're not to hurry to come back either.
No, we have a good power for my wife to be. Come on, we can start our wife to be, right?
Yeah.
Can you work for the position?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Wait, this.
Mom. Yeah, good. You know, so I'm going to go down the road now. But I want you to do me a favor. You do me a great favor. I want you to give fire this when you come. You hear? Just give me. Then if you looking at it or nothing, just give it to him. You hear?
Alright. So you can pick up something for me down the road when I come back?
You know, so I say that me I come back. But you go hear about it. You hear? Babes. Yeah. You know, so me get the money where this time I get it back. Yeah, me have it. How spot today? Come meet me. Meet me at crossroad. They know spot to meet me. Yeah. Everything good between us, you know, once I get the money, right? Alright, baby. Love you. Yeah. Alright, there come.
Did nice, no. Tell you, journey long still, you know. And how much days me not come inside here? Okay. Alright, that's all. Good evening. Good evening. Tyler. Yeah? Come here. Your mother does see up here?
Yeah, me ask her.
You sure your mother does see up here?
Yeah. She even done her yard.
Oh, she good?
Yeah. So girl. I am your auntie or your cousin.
Me no know her. You know her?
Yes, she show partner with my mother.
Oh.
Yes, she and my mother did even have an argument last week because she wanted her three partner job in one time.
Holiday, so.
Yeah, girl, and she wanted her three partner in one time, but my mother nah keep so much money in her yard because she don't want nobody go and rob her. So as soon as she collect the partner job she give them out to somebody if he keep it, and then she would have to go to the person and collect the money.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's a good.
Yes, but anyways, me have a boyfriend.
He new man for the block.
Right? So he might do a shipping business where he can ship things from overseas. Come there to anybody we want or pay him.
So you there, so if me want something, we can make you know.
Yeah, you can link me and me link him.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright then. Well, go sleep still, no so.
Alright, me see you.
Alright.
May call you to here.
Alright.
Yeah.
Clear. Wow. But I have the iPhone here, you know? What's up? Tall up. Tall up.
Yeah.
What going?
My band has just reached them. I'm going to call you.
But you know, say I call me, they call you too because me there scroll pa Amazon and I see one phone, one nice iPhone, girl. I say, I want it.
So you know just link me when you're ready then, no?
But me not have money right now, mother. I go link my boyfriend and hear what I have to say first. Because me want the iPhone there, and when time I want something, I'm supposed to get it. So, me I go, what you say?
Then do that now. Do that.
Alright, me I go link him and make him give me money, me give him money, make I can give your boyfriend we do what you have to do.
Alright.
Cause me well want it.
Just go.
Alright. I want that iPhone. I call the boy, yeah. Me want the iPhone, yeah. So we can link up. Alright. Up a ring. Alright. It a ring. Pick up now. Hello?
Hello, what's going on?
Me there, which part of there?
You know me there on the road, I do.
Alright, we are gonna meet at spot we always meet. Me meet her.
Alright then.
Go there right now, no, cause I did me come right now.
Yeah man, when I reach, I'm gonna reach in time.
Alright.
Alright then.
I'm tired.
Boy, so I want feeding the baby and I'm a breeder.
Hey.
What going?
Where you go?
They are going easy, you know.
You know, say, I want 80 more from you.
180. What you
Yeah.
mean? $180?
No, my youth. 180,000.
Hold on there.
Read my lips.
Hold on. I never see 180,000 for my barn. I never hold that yet. Never see so much money yet.
You're going to try and make me get it though because more on the iPhone that when me see. I don't want this because this a phone that all right now. Them a phone out of style. I don't want them a phone. I want iPhone. iPhone the thing. Them want iPhone. 180,000 feet. I said, I not get it. We are going left. We are going down. I not go wire again.
You rough. You cock at the door.
So pick, choose and refuse. You want me or you going to buy me the iPhone? You want left or you going to buy me the iPhone?
I will buy the iPhone now because I love it. I will do anything for you, you know.
So, you know how you get that Monday?
How?
Alright. I have a tenant for my yard. She collect $60,000 every Friday after she partner job. I go out for rubber Friday daytime because in the evening she collect it, so in the evening matter for rubber. I make me get the money. So you go rubber for 3 weeks because 3 times 60, 180.
You're rough.
You mean you're rough?
We do what we do, man.
Alright. So I go want for rubber, but don't kill her. So you say if you kill her, you got jail and a call me name.
So what if boy you know regular money? If you don't know about shot knife making regular money?
No. Stick her up.
Alright.
Cause she kinda look, you know, coward.
Alright.
So you go rob her and carry the money come give me. Make me pay them for my iPhone. So in 3 weeks time I can done pay for my iPhone and I can have it and you know.
Yeah man. Alright. Cut long story short, I go deal with it. I run go back and I go feed the cow them and the goat them and some other things that I have to deal with.
So when I get hot, I'm black already, so.
Alright, but then I get
my head back up here, so don't play with me now.
Alright, yeah,
don't play with me because I want my iPhone. You say me to get my iPhone. You're a dead man.
You'll get it, man. You'll get it.
And we're done.
You'll get it.
Alright.
Hello, you see my daughter?
Your daughter?
Yeah.
She not run there?
No, she not in her room. I'm going in her room already.
She won't step on the road then, man.
What she up on the road?
I don't know.
What my daughter on there today?
You man in friend.
Which one?
You know a lady I'm a partner with?
Yeah.
Fair daughter.
Oh, who?
No, her boyfriend.
My daughter not no man, you know. So nobody no mix my daughter up, you know. That's a boyfriend, she have that friend as boy, she not have her. She know me tell her what to do already, you know. She's a virgin, she don't have a boyfriend. She not have no boyfriend.
Alright.
Hear me I say? I'm kind of tired. I'm not talking too much about certain things because I don't want to get too emotional like that. Alright, anyway, me know so. Hello. She there in front of me and come in and now. Because where she there for there? She down her yard?
Daddy.
What me I say? Where you do on the road?
I'm a friend, my father go home.
Your friend now no foot?
She have foot, but my father go home. See me call, she always want me come home.
I said to you, make your friend them follow you come home. You don't go friend yard. Friend don't follow. Alright. I don't want to talk too much in the evening. You see. You know what go on? I know about to cook tonight, you know. So anything you see today, you fry up, you look about it. You hear me?
No, did
I just got egg and bread come.
Daddy, I see one phone on me like, Mom said she gonna help me buy it, but she want help to buy it. I don't want this phone no more.
Alright, my daughter, how much is your phone?
180,000.
If I give you 180,000 lick today, see, you know what? You take your time, go in your room, go and sleep here.
You know, give me whole lot of money, you can't give me half, Mom, we put half of it.
Listen, I will not buy a phone over $3,000 for you. That's the banger. That's the banger that you know you young people have now.
No.
Too much things depend them phone there for young people. Go astray. Yeah, look, you see one piece of phone you can't see picture upon. If when not my days, picture couldn't go on phone.
But the phone all now, me tell that it around 3 weeks now me have this year, me tell that it are more iPhone.
Hello. Right now, I'm kind of stressed and frustrated. I come out for the work. I don't want the talking about phone.
Or it's you no can buy. You and my stepfather and mommy can buy phone. Make up and buy.
Your stepfather and your mama can buy it. Not me. Not mix me that equation there. I feed you and clothe you. I think I do enough and send you to school. Your mother not give dollar in it or your stepfather. Make them give you money buy phone like that. And I'm not like you have them type of phone still. Because I say you have too much technology in it. Go bust your brain.
No.
Well, you and I know already. Say you can't get that out of me. No. If you buy no phone. So nobody bring that to me. You make up a face like monkey face. You'd have a better luck of JAMMIWOOD buy you another phone than I buy you that phone. That may I say to you. Now buy no day phone girl. Come and have a day phone myself.
What's money?
To give me money. Remember. Most of money. Sir, go on, y'all. Go on. So go on. Shut up. Walk up. Run, go outside. Must I run?
Yeah, me come. Hello. Joe. Joe. Yeah, now hear me. I know what I tell you say, I want to board them, you know.
No, that me I call if you tell us so nobody come tomorrow. Because me just get robbed look away. Yeah, one gunman just hit me up right out of my gate, you know. Why she right now you didn't know how me feel right now.
Yo, me I'm in there time.
Yeah, me I come. Me will link you back later we talk here. But nobody come tomorrow because money get I don't even know if you tell us it. Man just take all my money. You even left me with 100 like all thing man left me with one bread in my hand. Alright then, me call her later.
Yeah, me I say. Nah, man, I'm not do this, you know. But you know, somebody that take money for you till Monday.
If you tell you what just happened to me look a while.
What you talk about?
Alright, I this one gunman steal me up and take everything for me look a while. You don't hear me in there make phone call.
Me not eavesdropping, I don't know where you're going. Wait till somebody take gunman grab your whipper.
Right out of gate there so. Take everything and I money when me have to buy a board them, you know. Remember me tell about some board for me wife under there.
The place is safe then.
Everything. Only thing the man left me with one bread in my hand.
You must say buy bread every week. Anyway, I go try check out. Sorry about that though. I don't know how to run and run. I never get rubber on it, you know. I first news that to me. First news that. But anyway, I go try to throw it. That's something I have to deal with. Very important.
Sorry about that, man.
Hello, this is South Police Station. How may I help you?
May I call for report on robbery now?
I'm listening.
Pardon?
I'm listening.
Yeah, me I come from work. And me go for my little partner job. And this you just stick me up and take my money.
I'm so sorry to hear about that, ma'am, but at the moment we don't have a vehicle because it ran out of gas. So try lock up the house and be safe.
So how a vehicle for run out of gas?
Or you come down to the station and make a report about it.
Me not come to no station no. Me only want to know say me call you no.
Well, okay, have a great day, ma'am.
But here. There's something I can't real. Good day there.
I'm making stop. Action.
Come on, guys. You want to buy some me a deal there, you know? Come on. Give me money we have.
Me don't have no money.
What is?
Me don't have no money.
What is? That's great. Look at this. Yeah, you know you have to play gunman. Oh, that gold chain too. Yo, take off this. Cash the gold. Take it off. You have to take it off. I cash the gold business. I def. You feel like a joke thing. My help I'm going to have. I'm going to go off in your face now. Go on where you go.
I bet you get catch.
Go on where you go. Go on. Go up, sir. Go up. Go up, sir. Mr. Go up, sir. You ready to go up, sir? Run it up. Mr. Run. I don't take bad man thing if I'm not playing, you know. Yo. Please.
That's a nice ear. Hello?
What's going on?
I'm there.
You alright?
Yeah, me alright. Can I get through with this up, mate?
Yeah, me call it now.
Which spot? Regular spot?
No, the original spot.
Hello?
Hello, good evening. This is the South Police. How may I help you?
Yeah, I see one call back again. You already know me a call about, don't?
How can I help you, ma'am?
Me get robbed this evening again. I'm calling no other day I don't do nothing about it.
Ma'am, I'm really sorry about that. At the moment, we don't even have a drive. It just crashed the other day. So, just come down to the station and we will sort things out.
A joke thing on that pan. When you supposed to be there and make people feel safe. I'm there in my own place and I feel safe. And me call now, no going to tell me one day you don't have no gas, now you crash. What kind of police you know be?
Ma'am, just come down to the station, please. And thank you.
Hello? 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 What's not there? Hello? Somebody there? Hello? Nobody not here. Who there in here? Hello? Woman, me see you know. Lie down in the house and my father rent me come for. You lie down and I don't want to pay no rent. Come out here, sir.
You go way up in the window for. Tell the father so he get the rent later.
Daddy, you see woman in the house here, sir? You know I'm paying no rent. That me discover. No rent.
I'm like, that's someone that you in the fire then. You're going to come and make up nice, man.
No. Because the whole of them come here and I want to pay no rent. Hello? Lady?
How would that man?
No, ask who this. And my father rent me come for.
Hello, I'm your parent or my father parent. Move, man. You can't come disturb people out of their sleep.
You all I don't want to pay no rent. My father rent me come for. You think I come
I'm your parent or my father for parent.
Call him on the phone.
Woman, don't make me cuss bad out of fire, man. Move from the window.
Call him on the phone.
Move, man. I'm there, Jim. Mommy, I kiss one nice little boy. You come up. Sure.
No, because you in here, so I don't know like you get notice. What have no free time, yeah? Because members say, you no pay rent, so you get no notice, you so if you come out.
Oh, you're not going to play, sir.
You remember about the notice?
No, I don't get notice. I people move out so. I pay my rent and me and my daughter. My daughter and I front room, my people 2 rooms. So, what your father say now?
You don't need to pay up the rent.
But here now. I talk to your father on the phone, you know, look like him have amnesia. Because I told him that I'm getting paid month end. So if he come, I can give him a look at thing, but I cannot pay him the full part of the rent until month end. I'm talking about that, man. Call him on the phone and ask him.
So what we finish month not pay?
No, I have money because you can buy chicken back and mackerel with it.
Oh.
And go and enjoy on the
You understand the assignment?
But weekend, a month end, we'll get the rest of the money. Everything good. Alright?
Just make sure.
Yeah, man.
Me don't talk.
Or when I get older.
No worry.
I want to get older, and if I get older, and we can do something for me, can have to live paying no rent because we go into something.
You're a pigment. You love picnic.
You're not picnic.
You look like.
Them the size of something there, bigger than a picnic.
Don't worry yourself.
You soon reach the age of pluckings. Right now it's about picnic. You're too big for picnic.
I don't know what you call money. I'm fed up by him. They don't want to pay no money and come and go like say. Don't even know what to say.
Let's start up.
Girl, are you out there so long?
I was talking.
What?
Alright. You see phone, I want a boyfriend for order for me. Alright, like I give you 2 part-time money already. 2, like me give you 1. How much money me give you already? 120,000 me give you already. I mean, I 60 more if give you. I'm gonna make you get it today because my boyfriend will give me the money if he give you.
So, how will you get so much money from my boyfriend and give me $5,000?
But I hear a boyfriend, for me, I hear a boyfriend not 2 different boyfriends, so I know you talk about.
And so how can I work in?
You not worry yourself about that. You work though. You work hard. Hard.
Okay.
You love me, so anything I want, me get you. So, I'm gonna make you get your money, you give your boyfriend, so I can get my iPhone. Understand?
Yeah.
Yes. And make sure so my money safe. That's all me I tell you now. Me 180,000, try and make sure say it's safe. Me give you 120 already, and me get next 60 today, this evening. So that will be 180, and me I beg you do make me get my iPhone. And make sure so my money is safe. Come on my iPhone, everything will good. That's all me have to say.
No girl. You know if you come at me so you know, you'll get your things, you'll get them man and a thief. In drive BMW and the only thing you not give me no money. So your things safe and you'll get your iPhone when your KRSI money come.
So you start the netball?
No girl. I still do it but now it kinda complicated so it putting them kinda gone somewhere else can do different stuff so we are wait to see what go on.
I understand. Chucks are not for me anymore because see me? Some put on pounds and things, we can't run again.
Look flesh.
Flesh
up there.
Man, me I tell you what, me can't run again. Put on them the things and them the things they don't mind. Left it to other people who want it.
Yeah.
So, but here about one party we keep Friday. You not plan to fish about?
Me not no money, me broke like a dog unless you
name Gangster Rollout. So the party name Gangster Rollout.
Unless you pay for me going and you give me money and you give me everything.
Girl, all inclusive. All inclusive. If I pay the gate, you don't need to go over there, go buy nothing, I get everything free.
Oh. So
who that?
Who that? Who is that?
You know who?
No?
You don't know your man buys?
Oh!
Yeah, oh. Want that 2 box cross the egg.
Come round, me open the door.
So them man no advice.
You sound different. You sound what's up?
Come in, man. Today I talk with the girl, with my friend. Our girls talk.
Girls talk.
So we choose to come sit down right in
Oh, you mean come on here girls talk. So what so?
You do track, so you do netball, you go party.
You used to run on me go to school.
That are back then. We not chat about back then, we talk about now.
I wonder if I plan to get off go take man.
Hi! Come to your head. Oh, look at you.
You know say like I want to butt pit in the door.
Oh, man, you paint in our face, you know.
Don't want to come here come tell my girlfriend things about me, you know.
You can't tell her that. Are your yard or my yard? Are your friend or my friend?
Listen to me. Take time to talk to me. I wonder if I what? I am man of the house or I what?
Me the man of the house or that me the man of the house?
Right, that's so.
No, talk to me. Calm down. Do not.
I'll come out from my bed.
Do not.
Rankings.
I just come here so because
Do your rankings the post on my bed. Like him a wash sheet here. Look at you.
How you manage that?
Me manage him though, can't care more than me more than him.
Right.
Right, so.
Make the man take you for Yankee.
My father come. Oh, my father come. Hide in it. My father. Hide in it. Hide in the bathroom. Hide in the bathroom. Just sit down like nothing. If you ask a question, just don't think. So nobody there. Yes, girl. And me say, me start the tracks and then things because it kind of stressing.
Oh, good day.
Hi, Daddy.
Good day.
How are you doing?
Oh, no, no.
What do you talk about school?
May I come then? I put on a bag.
Alright. Me say, you know it?
Yeah, tell you me so enough too.
Of course, you know but we are talking about. Like say my girl.
More
Like
than
say my
everything.
girl. Man that the red skin one day. More for when you come here for.
Throw him out.
Me so good like wait till my father gone. Me can't. And I go change his number to me. I go block him and delete him. I don't want to with him. I go find new money.
Right.
Father come. Well, what me dare say is the party named Gangster Rollout, girl. We have to go. We have to go.
So go buy new clothes and
then so if you say my gang, we are here just like a gangster now. Party right now we cut up, you know. Belly skin, crop top with some big round ear, you come like a car wheel. Me, so me roll up on there with my kerchief. My eyelash long like a donkey rope. Me I tell about it, girl. Alright, that's alright, true. They come out looking good.
Right, so.
Youngster.
The man saying.
You know. You tell us if you go.
Alright, Tata.
Come on.
I tell you, the road was not so good today, but Go up on the road still, because for them boss, I want to keep them on their face.
What happened?
No, where I come from still. But I have to go back. Come on, something. So, hey, daughter, what happened, sir?
Verisha.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You don't feel tough though. What
Leave
can I work it
her,
out?
that's disgrace, you know?
Eh?
That's disgrace.
Disgrace? No, man.
It's just
You see, Jamaica is a tough place. So if you're untough, nothing wrong with you. That's the truth. Boss it now. You're dainty, you're soft,
Yeah.
you have it tough. So, what do they do?
We talk about girl stuff, school, tracks. I'm not saying the tracks again because I put on weight.
Yeah, but,
We have a local project for maths. So.
well, girls gotta do what girls do. Daddy have to do what daddy do. Daddy have to work and then pay the bills them.
Yeah.
I can't wait for you to get whole so you can move out and go find your own life and do your own thing. Because the work, after a while, they've got to put you down.
I want to stay a little.
As you're out school, sir, I want to push you out on the road, make you go find the thing them do. Because I hear down the road, you know. I hear down the road say, you I want to look at you to run up and down.
No, no. I lie, daddy, no. No.
Well, you know, some is a youth like this, we don't believe in a hearsay, or who say, or who who be say. She have a man?
No.
You have a man?
No. Yeah, look at picnic.
We
We
know
don't
different
think about
things,
we book, I would think about tracks and them there.
Any day, name day, you think you're brave, have a man. That the day they free paper bun.
Me no want none.
Have a lot of girlfriend, no man friend. Lot of girlfriend, they won't mislead you. All thing they can is mix you up. But the man them go fix you up. So, do the right thing. You see your face dry, you have a dry girl, you look at my face, I see you from a man, so you look like a snake, you know. You look like you're a dangerous one now. You have influence?
No.
Who influence who?
Nobody not influence nobody.
Right.
We are good pitney. And you know say that are good pitney. I mean, you know myself.
I am one father when I swear for no daughter. You know say I want son I do want.
You can't put button for your shirt. I say you got
When you
to
said-
tie you up.
No, you know, bust off your day. For them bust off when me get angry.
Use nigga and
One light bill come one day. You never went there. But bust off my shirt so. No one upon because the light bills scare me.
and who run up like you so?
No, oh no.
How?
But me clear it though, I clear it, but me I tell you.
I never. We tell her to buy a fridge and buy a washing machine and buy a
Mama, oh yeah, mommy, I'm a whole man, you know. Don't look at me like that.
Yeah, look by you.
Do not tell your friends when them come here, do not look at me. I am old. Alright? Look at your size. You know your size?
No.
Hello, me I come go to work, you know.
Size not
Yes,
shoes
Billy,
too.
tell him again.
Hello.
Yes, Daddy.
Me, I come go to work.
Alright.
One thing I say, don't make no man fix you up. Stay with the girl company and make them mix you up. No fighting though. Because I notice from what day, be a fighting I go on a school. I don't want it from none of you. When you go to school, if a girl backs on up on one jaw, you turn the next jaw. Please. No violence.
So she will take me not take no lick for
Listen,
her?
what me say to you? If a girl backs you up on the left, you say turn the right game. When you go do, you can back you 100 times and you back you 2 times, it's done. Done the violence at school. If I hear say you fight at school and I come there, come beat in front of the school, you know. Because you don't go to school for land, you don't want no fight in a school. Before so, you link with some people who don't fight, but don't in a mix up.
But she ain't a mix up.
So
she
now
not
that me
fight.
say. So yeah, you on a roll.
Yeah, can go on.
Buy on lunch and stay one side with it. Alright? You go on the road.
Bye bye.
Alright.
Me I say, me can't tell no, because I have boyfriend and I have boyfriend.
Take back some one side and turn
Me not tell no lick friend, no girl and no boy. Me not listen to him, make him come to me no idiots.
Alright, so I'll go back on the work, you know, I have some good things to clear off. You know, my type of work is not type of work that everybody do. So I have something to just clear off what I warehouse and Boy, that machine I drive, give me too much problem enough to lift up with something and pallet them, but you work hard.
Yeah,
Be yourself.
Yeah.
Do not influence her.
Not
and don't let she influence you. Right?
Yeah, later.
I don't like him, man.
You know, say I like, but then I tell you scream in front of
I don't like that, man. I don't like one. Come here, one person.
Can't put my phone, yeah. Alright, what may I say is, remember so today the last day for you pick up your money. For me can get my iPhone. You know, so I really want my iPhone.
You hear me now?
Yeah, I hear
I don't really like teeth, you know. Because everybody look for me and say, me a thief, you know. You see me, I just show my love you, you know. And that's why I do this, you know. Not too light, nothing there, you know. Thief is not my dream, you know. The amount of dog bite me get.
But I just the last time today.
But me get 2 money already. I still want 3.
I want my iPhone and I not play with them. I want my iPhone. Or else we are going to leave. I want my iPhone.
You're rough. You can't believe me get 2 money already. I still want 3. Like I'm just sorry for your dog bite them when I get by my foot.
Me sorry for them, but I have to get my iPhone first.
You say love cost though. See, because I love it till I'm full like Jesus.
Yeah.
Sure.
I love your name.
You know what? I'll get the money later and you. You hear? Don't worry yourself.
I worry myself, because I know me I get it.
But anyway, me and someone look for side work, I give them this, you know. That can't save me from a thief. You see me say, I go down there and get the side work, I not go thief.
What if you don't get it?
Well, I have to do what I tell you I have to do.
Just go thief your money after the thief
you have to
money.
just hold on, man. Hold on, man. And don't boom me. Hold on.
Stop playing with me here.
Look more.
Do not play with me. You hear me better now? Yeah, good morning, Sister Joyce. Sorry for your call so early, you know. Yeah, man, I know say too early for me to wake up out of your bed. But just see with me now. Yeah, me. Just see with me, man. Remember, you're my partner, woman, you know. Alright, let me tell us the reason why I come so early. I mean, every Friday evening now, I call up my partner, Jar. Somebody always rob me. So I just go on the road, run a bread man, buy one bread, and then I come collect it. And come back to my yard. Yeah, man. Thanks, man. Alright, I come now.
Hello.
Change the plan though. The lady are going to the place to collect the money right now.
Oh yeah, I say.
Yes.
Right now. Right now, I'm going to hold a beard, you know.
Hurry up, do it. Hurry up because it's soon that's all. I can't really talk loud because she are going to hear me.
So I see him location, right?
Yes, same location. You have to hurry up, do it now. You have to hurry up.
Alright, I'll hurry up. I'm going to hold a beard and then put on some clothes and go feed. You hear?
Yes, and they're trying to come along in our bathroom because I'm not in that. I'm wanting money. So I'm not getting money, I have things.
You know, I said like I'm money alone, I love me for do it. It's alright. I'm going to hold a beard and do what you say.
No matter say if you like me nice, eh?
Never cut them away and put them away. Tell why? Every minute when me I go home, somebody rob me.
Boss up now.
That's it up to the best way now, see. Yeah, me can't get, you know how long you want to buy some food? I can't buy them. I don't need them around here. Actually, they say, you know, and then you say you come to you with all the money.
Me I wonder if I watch people watch me or what.
Or somebody tell them something.
I don't know.
I can't that too, you know, can't somebody tell them something.
Must get fixed.
Boy, me I wonder if somebody set up here and somebody tell somebody something. You sure you not tell nobody nothing?
Who if you tell something?
You work on your side.
Work, man.
Yeah, man, you will work. Boy, I wonder if somebody set up here or somebody tell somebody something.
You don't know, you know, but every evening.
Alright. Walk safely. And put you under your arm good.
Yeah, very good this time, man.
Yeah.
Right.
Little teething, man. You know how they come from.
Give me everything you have.
We don't get no pay this week. We don't have no money.
I say give me everything you have. Give me this. Give me this.
But me I eat the bread.
I don't respond to killer hungry. No, we're fine going. You hear me? I tell her. It's a run.
That's the food I can get chopped.
We had to sit down out here in the dark though. What's wrong?
The thing when they just have one thing.
Don't overthink, you know. Right? Too much of one thing good for nothing. So, the see look we have in your face, in your eyes, is the same look I have back in the days when now I'm going, you know what I mean? I'm feel like the world has turned over. Right? And just know say I and I there you can reason with I if there's something. Because I can hear the crying in your room at night. When you cry, when I think nobody's hearing. I do hear because I don't really sleep much at night. Sleep somewhere. I'm not that the right word. But you go walk. So I'm going to say to you now. Once upon a time when we were young and first love, we were experience love. We have a girl named Sharika, right? And the day when she ended the relationship with I feel so like the world go end, I said to myself, say, a time to kill myself now, right? And then the next side of me say, you're mad. I'm going to laugh about the idea of killing myself. I'm going to just get up and just start walking every day, go find activity to do, to occupy the mind. Because once you lock yourself in a one dark room and depend on thinking too much, it can lead you not down a healthy road. And mental health is still health. So it's good to keep the brain active and fresh and not lock up in your own convenience. See, I said to my daughter run her room there, because when she run there, she depend on her phone like she not one the world. She know she antisocial. It's not good. We were make us people to live in unity and communicate. And I think at times realize say young people don't want to talk. They rather to fight or do something. You know what I mean? So what's the problem though? You don't want to talk to me?
No man, not good.
Anyway, I cite the whole thing as we go on. But differently, I ask you a question. You hear of the story of the coolie. There's something going on in virality. Yeah man, I'll tell you how you go do. There's a bridging that tell coolie, say boy life hard and find him born, he must suffer and back at things are going. You know what I mean? And everything bad and look like life not agree with him as in there. It's when
then the same thing with me, life not agree with me.
yeah, but you know what Cooley said to him to change his mind now? Cooley said that here said, in this life, some of the time, this is not the place where you're going to live your best life. But if you go to the next side, you're going to live a better life. So Cooley, I think, call them go kill themselves and go out to the next side and go drive Benz and Beamer. You understand? When there's no such things as that. After life, there's nothing. You know what I mean? Life is life, so you live it once. So one life, one most high, one everything. You understand? So you see life you live, go and live it and put the best foot forward. So we go on and now still. It's from Cooley said that in cut off Cooley, nobody want to think so much about that kind of want to go to the side there. So no matter how life hard and what life are going with you, just hang in there. Not give up on life. There's always a silver line at the end of the tunnel. You know what I mean? So you go see the light. So not sit down in a dark room by yourself. Push out on the road, go walk, man. You're a young green girl, you know. You might see a man out there who really like you and have the right things they can assist you. You might
really
see.
On
a man, you don't have to be a man though. It can be even a female where can help you. Not in relationship wise, but reasoning, and you can develop a friendship with part you can get to work for you or get something for you, make you can push you forward. Because one link, you know, one link you take to make your life change, right? So listen to me and say, I hope it's so keen. It's not the end of the world. And because I see what you got through, we decide, then you don't have to really pay no rent for 5 months. I go pay off that for you. I'm going to talk to the landlord and pay it off for you. So don't worry yourself. I'm going to look at money and we go pay that for you. So you don't worry about rent for the next 5 months. I'll just pay off that. But try to get yourself up on your foot. Because if I go down in a life, I would like to know that somebody did it to help the fire up. Because I said to go. You know what I mean? No string attached. I don't want sex and no fire. I can tell me something, man.
Everything good, man.
There's something you want to say, and I say it.
As I say, I just there I go and think.
Right? I just that I don't like to see people go down. Upliftment is a must. So anyway, and not to beat off is so much of my knowledge because my time the truth is so very boring. People rather hear the lie. So since of that, I go cut or do something. I have enough things to deal with, but hang in there, man.
The man there, I want to build.
Virginia?
Mommy?
Wait, inside What you doing?
Just a study. I mean, I know some more on the 8th subject. And a 48 to come to.
Why you have to look more with this now? And my skin done swell up. Oh God, I not even know how I can manage. Some of the time you wouldn't even know how the pressure is on me. I'm gonna call your father because your father hardly help me with you. Everything you just put pressure upon me and not even care. Virginia, you know me, I got you. Popeye.
Hello?
Come on, no come talk to me that way.
Don't tell me how to answer you.
Right now, your daughter there and she out for the 8th subject. And we need some money, like seriously. We need some money to do our subject. Me only can cover 2. So what are you doing?
Subject?
What you mean? What you mean?
No, she don't need to do no subject. Don't think about no subject. I don't business.
Right now, the subjects are important. How much you say for the one?
6,100.
6,000 she said for one.
6,000 for what? You and your prime minister want to vote for.
We're there at the house and we're also hungry. We are we?
Where we find so much money from? Look. Alright. No worry. Me I come there. Me I come up here. You know no food, but me not no food for me now. Me I come there, me too empty and then come she wanna say me broke. Me not have it. Right. What subject?
Alright. Jenny, I not even have no money, but me have to go try hustle and see if me can get some money. Your father say him dip on the way.
Alright.
Just hope for the best and pray for the worst. So you're doing maths, English, visual arts, POB, POA. That's good, I'm proud of you. I'm really proud of you, my daughter. I'm going to use the bathroom, so when your father comes, tell me something there in the back, or me in the bathroom.
Alright, mommy.
Yeah.
You want the 60,000 for paying out for me iPhone?
1,600.
60,000.
Hold this, I'm saying. I say hold this.
I do not care.
Hold this.
Chop it nice.
When
I
me
get
get two money already.
What me I do with
You have to just
bread?
hold on, take it
Me
to
not
the
bread on me
street.
yard.
Just one.
What me I do with bread?
Just hold it now.
What me I do with bread?
You say me with teeth. Every minute I say me go for the teeth. Me say I get dog bite. No. Hold this.
Don't play with me.
Me say hold this. If you know.
Me not business.
Me like.
Me say I got thief.
Some like thief.
Me say I
What
got
is that?
thief.
What is that?
Me say I got thief money. Me say I got thief money. Me not even want it. Even want.
Yes, they're hungry at yard. Bread there. Hello.
Who you answer, sir? Imagine an evil can call your daughter, bro. That evil little lunch money, alright, you say you can't pay for the subject then, not even look for food.
Listen me. When I tell you say I broke, I broke. Right now, me have bread, but I don't have no egg. So
Here where you have come, she need it. What kind of father you be?
a good father, but I broke one at it. Me I come.
Alright. Alright, yeah. Dirty man. You see that? You see your father attitude? That's why I tell us I don't have no money.
No man. Well, I'm tired of me there, I know. I'm going, me there, what's up there, something, yeah.
So the lady for your partner money now, come collect no money today. The same woman will live in the house.
How you know say woman come collect your partner money?
You forgot to tell me?
Well, you get knocked. Cause the woman come for your money already and put it in her bread and carry it in her yard.
Well now, which bread you talk about?
A bread the woman always a walk with. Girl, listen. Let me explain it to you and tell you good. You see, the lady love bread. Every time she go down a bread shop and she buy bread. And when she go home, people will him and always a come rob her and now collect the bread. So this time, she triggered in her mind and say she a put it inside of the bread. So that means say, when the man come, the man a go rob her, now go find nothing. But the money gone there in her bread.
Okay, alright, me soon come back.
One is a set of thief.
Oh God.
So they see me, they go about my business and you see me in my mood. Don't call me, ask me about no food, you're supposed to find that.
Don't come at me like that. First thing, you're a dirty father. Father like you. Dog. Talk to your father. Because we need to wants to smoke you right now.
Sit your fat self down there, sir. Sit up. That is the reason why me and you can't agree.
Me can't agree, me can't go stay here so they talk to your daughter. Consider me out of it.
Ah, she, I should tell you one father. You see your mother. Ah, she brought me down. When me meet your mother maga like a map tip. She eat all the whole of my money. She eat. You better still, we not want to talk about the eating part because that road is not yours. You come here.
I make sure you leave money for her.
Go and look for breakfast. You make the source of water, in the business.
You know some
But you can't tell the people he's a work father. You don't tell him
he's a
money.
working
Listen, you don't tell him your money.
Me, how many amount of money?
Look how you're fat. Look,
I'm supposed to fat. I'm born fat. But you
no.
that come in, you put us. What kind of father you be?
A good one. A good one.
I'm sorry, I'm afraid for
no, me.
Imagine my daughter for the subject and me can pay for 2 and you can't pay for none.
What kind of subject? Subject now can't nobody gonna know it.
Man like you for go dead road, bro.
And this carry about places, your brain. Look what man have 15 subjects on the farm road up on garbage truck or they walk on bed.
You know what them always say, the man with the least money and the least things are the most. One brother really care for your daughter, neighbor egg.
At least make her a bread. What did you have here to give her?
I'm paying for 2 subjects and 1 subject is $6,000.
Don't
come back to my place if you not bring nothing for my daughter because I can be a single mother. My daughter don't need you. My daughter don't need you.
You don't need me.
No need you.
And you don't need me.
1 bread.
Listen.
And he's a wicked father.
Bread.
You keep on emphasizing on the bread like a bowl in a bread.
Listen, bread and bread.
Mommy.
Bread and bread.
Daddy, thanks.
Thanks, you.
Daddy, thanks. I'm me if you still thanks. What is that?
In my bread, mommy.
Not tell you I'm me. What is that?
In my bread.
I'll be happy. Yeah, it's good, it's good.
He's a good man. Me take back my chat. Watch it, me take back my chat. Let me see this. Me take back all of my chat. He's a very good father. I love you. Oh my God. Shut! You are! And that's why you're running.
give me be a shot because you know see I care. I'm sorry for everything what I say, anything what me ever say. To make you feel low, you're like, you never did it. I'm sorry. Me not. Oh God! Thanks, no, I have to go call the teacher. What if it's yes? Oh, what do you look like you're crying? Tears of joy. Yes, he's a good man. He's a very good father. Miss Patterson. Yes, Miss Patterson. We can pay for the subjects now. Yeah, man, it's good. Alright. Why you having the bread like this? I said the bread go. But I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. I'm sugarless.
Just you speechless, but me speech body. We happy for them.
Hold on. I feel like you know say he's a really good father. I'm sorry for everything what I did say to you. Yeah, and your daughter, thanks to carry this money and come through with it because she's a hard-working girl. She do really want to do subject then. Look, and they come like you didn't know. You say happy.
Yeah,
Happy
I'm so funny too.
Well, happy, but guess what? Thanks. Your daughter is a hard-working girl. She can do her subject. Sorry for say you're a worse father. Sorry for everything what I say boy. Sorry for all of the bad things that when I say you're worthless. I never mean it. I never really mean it. No, you're not worthless. He's a good man. He's a very good man. And I really thank you. Happy for everything.
We happy too.
Father of the year.
Let me like toss.
You don't want about the money, man. Go on, man. Man, a joke you make. You're rich and you put so much money in your bread. You can't run joke, though. Hello?
Hello, good evening. This is the police station. How may I help you?
Yeah, good evening. Look here. At 3 Friday now, me get robbed by one person. The difference with this week, you know. A man tell me how he feels sorry for me and he not bother rob me. He want the bread.
Take the bread.
He take the bread for me. You know a funny story about you know? Then I bread all that money there. Watcha? They all hang up. God know me give up now, I swear. Watch your see them and call back here. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm really sorry to hear about that.
So I tell you no say me I get robbed and we take it for joke.
We're gonna try our best to send a detective to help you out, ma'am.
Alright.
Before he go on leave.
Huh?
Before he go off on leave.
Oh, alright.
Okay. In the meantime, just stay safe.
Alright.
JAMMIWOOD Studios. Curious King.
Give me like a time now. No.
Word of advice.
Never give up, never give up. Never give up, never give up. You can try again. You you can try again. Never give up, no. Never give up, no. Even when the world is closing door, and even when things is getting worse than it was before, even when the bills man come, not.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Can I talk inside?
You can't step up, man.
What?
Can't step up, man.
Yeah, man. After you?
Can I have a seat?
Yeah. First of all, let me apologize. You see, we were a professional. But you see the story, we just got that. It was very funny. We just really have to crack up a bit. Anyways, let's get down to the serious moment. Can you explain the story to me again?
Yeah, man. Everything good, man. As me say over the phone, a 3 Friday. When I go call my father, a Friday daytime, me get robbed. The first time he robbed me, he take his money and go right at me gate, you know.
Okay.
Right at me gate, like he just lay away at me.
Alright.
Yeah, and he take the money. Every Friday me I come here, me always buy my bread, feed, serve me 3 weeks, you understand?
Yeah.
Anyway, 3 weeks now, he take his money, left the bread. Until today now, me decide, say, yeah, ever I take your money and I leave more the bread. So me I put the money in the bread.
Yeah.
And in one time I put the money in the bread, he say he feel sorry for me, he might take the bread.
I take the bread?
Yeah, with all my money in it.
Yeah. Alright. You learn nothing from that?
Boy, to how me did vex, I never have time.
No, man, just think about it for a second. You know, sound like a setup to you.
Yeah, and that me I sit to every Friday, it's 3 Friday them, and me gate. And you see, till now, me even walk at me gate and me take shortcut. Shortcut me take, no one bush. And he find me a shortcut, how?
You did mention say I take shortcut before you left?
No, me did sit down there and me talk and me call it my partner and so, if you understand? Remember you know, money power live here. You have a Rasta man live here, so that a fire and his daughter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I have a plan.
You know, so I'm not too sure because I'm in my room.
Alright, how about you just find out that for me first? I will talk about it.
Alright. Brittany! You say that's all my chair on there?
That's all I know about it. Alright, I have a plan. The rest of them daughter in the room right now?
You know, so I'm not too sure because I'm from my room with it.
How about you find that out for me first? If there's anyone else in the vicinity.
Alright.
You familiar with the term?
No, you know.
Alright, be a crime is something like this. We are going supposedly say we want a criminal for here. Make them. Alright, this is how we're going to do. Right? You're going to talk among the persons we always talk among, say I get up on a job, but this time is a setup. Right? Start with a story like this. This time mention say you have a rich family and them have left a whole heap of cash inside the one house. May I get the house prepared for you before the evening finish. Say you're gonna have a whole sum of money and it's like the person call you, act like you're on the phone with the person.
Yeah.
Right? Ensure say everybody were always there with you. Go up on the phone. Mention to the person something like, you know, I'm not sure if I can make it because there's so much money in the house there. Emphasize on it. Just pick a random number. Them know you always have hungry money. Right? And just, long story short, make it sound like there's a whole sum of cash and you're going to stay at the house. Oh shit. get confused, brother. Fireball!
Ready? You know, say me sorry, nobody around there.
Alright.
I need father there, my father gonna work.
Alright. We're gonna pull off something with a call down at the station, a bait crime. You familiar with the word?
No, really.
I'm kinda explain it to you. We're gonna draw out the criminal. Right? Something like this.
Knocking at your door. Even when the burden gets so heavy, feel like you just can't walk no more. I'm here whispering in your ears and saying, never give up, never give up, never give in. No. Never give up, never, 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 never give in.
Yeah, that sounds like something good. Me can handle that. Me can handle that.
Yeah, man, believe me, it always works.
Me can handle it, man.
Alright, so let me not take up any more of your time. Let me set off and get everything in motion. Right?
Alright.
Alright.
You see, other day, you know, you lick more the bread in the back, you almost mash up my back, you know.
Sorry. And you see the other day with the bread, the same bread, and inna the bread, the money there.
What you say to me?
Inna the bread, the money there.
So why you take the bread and lick it in my back and mash up it?
Because me never know so the money there inside of the bread. Me see you carry bread come, me know the money there inside of the bread.
You don't carry go home. You love war too much, but I forgive you though. Here, I forgive you.
But none of that me I talk about, you know. So rich people, they down the road one big house. Me and them a friend, but I was up on a mission. But if we go over there, they have a lot of jewelry and one bag of money and things. And I want to thief from them. And you go at the all of the jewelry shop or jewelry something whatever I want them, I go change them out and carry all of the money can give me.
We say that the house is safe to go in now.
Yeah man, it's safe to go in now.
You sure no camera upon it?
No man, I'm a friend like that man.
Because I don't want to get catched, you know.
I know them man. If you just to look at camera upon it, a paper camera, be a real camera.
Alright. Really do, I don't like to know if me really there. Right? Every time you want something to go thief, I me a send. I wonder if you really love me.
Yes, me love you, yes, but me need things to make your love go stronger. You understand? If I care more things, the more me love you.
But when me notice,
but me love you.
But when me notice, you know, I'm going to want things to do, you know, you see me up and I call me baby, you know, I don't really understand that, you know, baby.
But baby, you know me love you. I just one last thing want to do for me. I just the last part time money more to put towards the iPhone. I want the iPhone, you know. I say if me get the iPhone, me not send back for no more mission. You not to go back to thief again. Everything done this so. I just me and you understand.
Babe, I'm in love with you, you know. So anything I want me to go do, I'm going to do it for you. You hear me? I tell you.
I did there, I wait for you, you know.
Oh, Father.
I wait for you. How are you there? Fine.
You know, so my friend, we and I did a local homework project. So.
Yeah, man, no. Where you homework at?
No, me they help she with her homework.
So who is you? Are you a teacher?
No.
Oh, you help people, you don't know your homework?
Yeah, she always help me, so I help her back.
But you are help her, she help you and pass on grade. Huh?
The teacher said me I pick up.
Just pick up. Then say you pick up stick.
No.
You pick up garbage around the place because you have done some wrong things. So then you pick up yourself, you pick up at your little place and then punish you pick up the garbage. She can't take you pick up. If you move from 0 to 0, you know, we're nowhere yet. You hear me now? I go to the school small, you know. I go buy a new brand machine here. And a new brand file. I want hoe, I want fire. Listen now, listen. It's not bad. Listen now. Neither do I. I don't want the can in the hand, I want the can in the field. Plant can, cocoa, dashing, anything. Listen, that kill my face. Because these are the time that them say must eat what you grow. You not grow nothing. So it's better, instead of farm food at school, you go farm food in the field. You understand?
You sound like a mom that so she would have
Stop tell lie. Your man not believe in food, in farming, because she not eat nothing out of them something there. And she don't want her hand dirty.
But she love make me sweep up place and wash
Them that normal courtesy for a young girl though. Because I notice, you know, you clean up place smart, let me have to do most of the work like my house. I don't know what to say. But here now, me no man, so don't look upon my kill my face like you're on Juno. When joke with me. So listen now. Where you come from though? Friend, where your phone there?
Never carry.
What is your friend number? Come on, call her.
She don't have no phone. No, she don't have no phone.
You know what? Tomorrow bright and early, because it's time to be darkish. Tomorrow bright and early, I go go down in the yard, go talk to the woman, talk to she too, and talk to her. See no?
She go move tonight.
She go move. Yes, she move. She a move now. Me don't care anywhere she move go, we are go there.
But me don't know which she move.
No, don't worry about that, man. I am an investigator. I will find you. Anyway, come go on your room. Because you're going like that, you think your brain bigger than for me. Your brain bigger than for me. Alright? Tickers, are you that? Come now.
Yo, you live here?
No, boss.
You put something in there?
No, boss.
Where you come from?
Sauce where you come from, boss.
You have gun for you?
No, boss.
Don't turn on now. Don't turn on. Never hear said she a death?
Yes, boss.
Are you alone come?
I'm alone forward, boss.
Where you kick your woman for? You want no kick feel, boy? Eh? You want no kick feel like, boy? Get up! Eh? Go, Go, sit down there. No one dead tonight, boy?
No, boss, me no want dead.
You don't want dead. Sit up straight and me talk to you. Where you get the information from?
You know, some woman send me every location. When I go up and him send me money.
Every location. How much location you go on?
Oh, 3.
3. Same thing. You never hear say 3 are dead. Where your woman name? Let me see your phone.
No phone.
What that? Hey, move slower than that, man. Take your time, move. Where your woman name?
Brittany name.
Where she live?
In the Van Prel.
What do you mean, Brittany him name?
Brittany she name.
Brittany she name?
Yeah.
Yeah, go show me where she live. Right now, I have that station. Get up. Oh, wait, lefty. Get up, and turn so. Say, I'm going to sharp a killer in there tonight, you see, boy. Go some, man.
Boss, my teeth.
Oh, wait, turn your head straight, man.
Oh, you pull one of people on me, so. How what?
No.
No, look like the man will come back. You know, if you want the man to come back, you could have a St. Mary.
What do you want?
Well, I get them say if they not get paid, then go to St. Mary, so I get the same thing too. If you want back your man, go to St. Mary.
That the man good.
So, how things do you do?
Everything alright so far.
I see that, you know, look back in my partner again, find them have the money then.
No make no sense to go collect money at evening time.
I talk to John, you know. So, we go sweet them, go sour them. But no, I don't, you want to rob still, like a few money alone they want to rob too.
And that's why I say it looks suspicious.
Anyway, make it on the party they don't go and bother you. If you want to know where about the way we can fix to make it on. So you're good different, you're cool though. Like you live in a house nowadays, you know, go walk. Eh? You know, start back up.
So man, so man.
I tell you, so you can take 5 months free for rent, you know, because I get running to some money, so I bless you up. But you know, I believe in that people must work though. You see this 5 month time, this my 5 month time, you can own a place yourself if you're smart. But this time, do not put your money a place where you can. Make it time, put it somewhere like in a one bank then. That means the money standing there, and when they're ready, you draw off it and give somebody. Anybody who was selling the wood, any man is selling the piece of wood then. Any man is selling the wood, you go down there with him. You go down with him and sort it out. Right? Instead of you try buy the wood and you are losing money. From when you want a piece of wood them and you can't get them. You know see it? You short of wood and don't do what you want to do. Anyway, that is that though.
Where that today?
She run does so. But me not manage it. Me not manage it. I never my dream to really raise a daughter, you know. We want 2 sons. So we can carry them on the street and make them turn jealous like them father. But
jealous, everything about girl.
Calm down. When me I say the footstep, a man must not raise a daughter. I think a man must raise a son. Because I can teach him how to be a man. I cannot teach her how to be a woman. I think I am feeling that. If I could have forced her, I could get her from and take out one son, I would have done that long time. It's not an option. If it's an option, I would have done already. That's what I. She come already. I try my best though. Be ensure so she not no man. That's the one I think. Oh, you laugh?
No.
You laugh like you know more than me now. But I'm not running into that story. You the carry out of the work? You have a contract here? Eh? You have a contract here?
No, sir.
Yeah, it's a police. What go on, officer?
Yeah, somebody just do my door.
What go on?
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening, man.
Recognize this girl?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
I'm looking at that. What she win now?
What she win?
Yeah.
Is she inside by any chance?
Yeah, man. Come in, man. Your police, you know, daddy. Come in and place, man. Because we are law abiding. No.
You mind if we expose one?
No.
We'll keep it though. Just in case.
Who are we in the house here? It's just I and I and the daughter them.
But she's inside this house
she's
as well?
inside, but she not armed.
She's not armed.
She not have a firearm.
Let's just say this is for
it's a young girl. No, it's not a safe thing in this place. I'm actually swinging us up.
Alright.
So in a safe, you know, put in a gun, man. Come in and... Yeah, man. Welcome now. Tapping our phone in the place, tapping out with machete. We can come and sit on machete and the barrel up and down, you know.
Alright.
Come in and place, man. Can we allow by this to see, you know?
Okay.
Money down.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Lieutenant Judge, she will next to me about.
Good night.
Officer.
Yeah. Where is
Oh, my daughter.
Yeah.
We want to see her now. And my daughter, she asked about. Come in there.
Yeah.
Come, Brittany.
Yeah.
Come here.
Brittany.
One gentleman here, I'm going to tell you you go and good enough. Because I'm something important I'm going to call you. But, yeah, come, sit down, so come.
Before I take a seat, first let me place her under arrest. This girl is under arrest. Multiple.
Calm down.
Hold on, let me explain.
Hold on.
Yeah.
What really have one?
Apparently, her so-called boyfriend.
She's not a boyfriend.
Oh yeah?
Tell him again.
Her name is Brittany.
Yeah.
This is the same girl on the picture, on the photo.
Yeah, she said, my daughter.
Okay.
Well,
Well,
tell us she have a boyfriend.
her boyfriend confessed on her just recently. She almost lost his life. Thank God he's not fighting for his life.
Alright, you know that. They say you are guilty until proven innocent. I'm not fascinated. But more come down there. Come.
She's guilty and she will not be proven innocent.
Alright, so we're roughly told.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
No.
Man.
Oh, apparently she's been sending him for multiple what do I call it? Heist, stealing phone, jewelry, money. Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish man would not do that to me.
Which man? Your boyfriend.
It
It appears she has so many, she's not really sure which one.
No.
Hey, so, can go on. If you have a man for sure and can prove it, bring her down to the station. You see, I go come down there. You see, if you have a man, you stand down there. If you don't have no man, more failure.
So you just want to make them take away that?
Alright, let me not take her. We have to go down the station. Soon come.
Thank you for your cooperation.
We are coming. We are forward. Go on, let them go on, man. I'm up from the identity. Yeah, now that you watch the whole of that, thank you. You know what I mean? And thank you for subscribing again. And keep the fire blazing. Now, take in the music with you.
Tell her do right now, I'm stressed out. I don't know if you do. You hear me? Yeah, what I say is, no matter what I do, like nothing now work out for me. Me join tractor school, me just come be last. Me now win, me never come first place, second place, nor third place. And me have a dream to be like Shelly and Fraser, but nothing now work out. Not even my school work there, I want A me and get Z. Wait me if I try again, me can't try again. Nothing now work out for me. Me I wonder if I follow Cooley advice. Maybe life will be better on the other side. As a best friend, me I tell you. Bye, my friend. I love you here. Alright. Life have to be better on the other side.
Young girl, how you do?
What me I do? Me can't take life no more. Me can't take life no more.
Stop with that, man. Let me show you something, man. You want something to do?
JAMMIWOOD Studios.
Talk to me, man. What tell us?
QS King.
Listen.
Give me like a time now. No.
Word of advice.
Never give up, never give up. Never give up, never give up. You can try again. You can try again. Never give up, never give up. No. Never give up, never give up, no. Even when the world is closing door, and even when things is getting worse than it was before, even when the bills man come knocking at your door, even when the burden gets so heavy, feel like you just can't walk no more. I'm here whispering in your ears and saying, never give up, never give up, never give in. No. Never give up, never give in. Cause you can try again. You can try again. You plant the seed, them and now it come rain. Life is so great, why you sit aside and you complain? Seems like something is wrong with your brain. Life is what it is, yes, and I can't apologize for all the things they did. That's in the past. That's in the past. And if you run a race and you're not focused, you know you're gonna come last. You may buck your toe sometime before, but I'm telling you, matter how hard, never give up, never give up, never give in. Never give up, never give in. can try again. You can try again. See, I'm a true testimony. See, I am a true testimony. I've been through the rough without any money. See, I am a true testimony. Oh, I've been through war and I ain't got no money, no. You can try again, no, 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 no. You can try again. Pray to the Most High, He will heal your pain. Oh, you can try again. Everything remains the same, and you can try again.